shot your glasses.
You guys got Photoshop anyhow, right? So, you guys are like computer whizzes, right?
And they're not here yet. So who sees first the helicopter should say something. They lift off at 30th Street. Oh, and then
If I could tie them together, you wouldn't mind you guys going?
whoever got his picture taken should put down his name so they can pick it up tomorrow.
Francie, do you have any film that I can have? Just one roll? Okay, we're there right now.
Our business is good.
Okay. Sounds good. Thank you.
Yeah.
You getting what?
Looks great. It's flashing.
I want to go to one place with that. One place in Manhattan. They hang in front of the 91st floor for 10 minutes, so as long as we can. And I guess the closest we can get is within 500 feet. In that range.
The building that we're going to do is the one with the tower on it, facing the city?
Yeah. Facing Manhattan, it's going with West Broadway. We're going to be communicating with all the talkies with one person inside of the 91st floor. He has a window set up that has lights, one of the windows. He's going to be individually putting people into that window, and we'll be taking pictures of those people. As many pictures as we can shoot in the time that you can allow us to be there.
Okay.
So that's appropriate.
Okay, bye.
Watch yourself here. Why don't you jump in here right now? Tell me if this window is good enough for you. That'll work? Now we can clean this off a little bit for you if you want. That's your life preserver.
I look at my vest.
Did anybody tell you guys this is his first day of flying?
Hey, it's my second. Let's get it right.
That's right, but he's doing very good. He's one of our star pupils.
Pilgrim State Mental Hospital.
Inmates.
With friends like that, who needs enemies, right? Underneath your seat, there are the life preservers. You just rip it open with these tabs, put it on, tie it around. Don't inflate it until you get out of the aircraft. In an emergency situation, your name is again? David. David and I would blow the emergency handles up here. David, that's just pulled off. Okay. You just pull it back and the whole door comes right off. Okay. You know what? I am just so glad to be considered an artist just for this next 20 minutes.
That's better.
I've been doing this for 10 years, and I assure you that everything will go very, very well. 91st floor, so there's only 107 floors in the World Trade, so that's
110 is better than the Beachman, right? Check this one's out. I can hear you in a few minutes. Do we know what time it is?
4:26.
Everybody who wants to get his picture taken from the quick click. For the quick click, that's what's going to happen right now. There's going to be a helicopter hovering here in front of the window. Not very close, about 500 feet away. there will be two of the E-team in the helicopter. We're gonna take a picture of each of you who wants to have his picture taken on the 91st floor in this window right here. Dan, are you coming close?
No, they don't.
Okay, they're coming. Okay, I just announced you that you're coming close, okay.
Okay, what's up? There's one way that it's slower than you would think it would be. Yeah, it is slower than I thought. Okay.
So what you have to do is you have to line up once the helicopter's over here. And the first step in this window, you get the picture taken and you're gonna see, you're gonna hear if everything's okay. Then step away to the right side, leave it through this side over here, and the next one can enter. So that like as many as possible can get their picture taken.
Out in front of you. Coming back around. I see the light, I see the light.
Right, you can see the light?
We're getting in position. Copy, copy. Okay, we're gonna lower down a little bit. Bronte's in the front, she has the camera out. First person, let's get up there.
He's over here, he's got it, he's got it.
Next person. Look at your bag. Next person.
Be so perfect.
Whoever's in the window right now, excellent position, excellent position. If everyone can stand like her. Next person.
Okay? Next, okay. Next, okay. That was for you, Dan. Next. Okay, next.
Bronte, how we doing?
Good, good.
Good for you?
Yes, right.
You got that one?
Next one.
Next.
Okay, next.
Seatbelt off.
Next. Next. Okay.
I got down.
Get the helicopter. 6 miles. You said?
Can I take the seatbelt off? Yeah, the floats isn't the problem. It's just it's really hard to keep it still. But I mean, you can tell there are people standing in the window.
Okay. What? Okay, next. Okay, next. Yeah.
I gotta move, guys. I'll come right back.
Kyle, we'll be coming right back. We have to move, we have to move.
Because the heat's on too, we're fogging up all the windows.
Okay. Now they're coming back because they just have to move. I don't know why they have to move. But it just happened that they're coming back. Yeah, I just don't like it.
The window isn't fogging up, is it?
No, it's pretty clear.
Okay. I don't want it to fog up. I put the air conditioning on, so it might be a little... You locked and loaded?
You ready? You ready? Yeah. Okay, yep, she's ready. Yeah. Can you take pictures? Yeah. Well, wait. This is fine. We can get pictures.
Thanks, please.
Wow. Franzi's focusing. Next.
Next.
Sorry.
Okay, next, please. Oh, we only have 2 more minutes. Okay.
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 Next person.
Hey, go closer. We want to see you.
1 second, she's focusing.
Next person.
It looks beautiful up here, by the way. We're focusing right now. Okay. Hi, are you there? Good to hear you.
Okay, 1 minute.
Next. 1 minute.
Okay, next.
We got 1 minute left. Next. Okay, this is it. See you. He's clutch. I have no copy. See you. Big wave from everybody.